You're watching News 3 Now this morning.
6:12. Let's see what's going on in the 608 this morning.
Josh Breider's here with what's happening for Madison Restaurant Week. Good morning, Josh.
Good morning, guys. Summer Restaurant Week is officially underway, of course. 23 local restaurants participating this time around, and one of those is Amara at Hilldale, which stopped by our News 3 Now studios. Well, joining us this morning is John Nodler of Amara Restaurant. Good morning to you, John.
Good morning.
So Restaurant Week is another big week for you guys. Talk a little bit about what we have on the table here this morning.
Yeah, so for our Restaurant Week, we're offering both lunch and dinner. Our lunch is 3 courses, 1 per person. For dinner, we do a shared experience because it's really how we want people to get into our menu. So on the table this morning, we have our bruschetta, we have our crab and avocado bruschetta, we have our eggplant caponata bruschetta. These are both going to be served with grilled sourdough to share. Over here is our pakri. It's been a long-time favorite pasta since we opened. It's a shredded beef cheek ragu, very rustic, very comforting, very satisfying. And then here is kind of a signature dish for us. This is our house-made porchetta. So it's slow-roasted pork belly wrapped around pork shoulder. On the bottom of the plate is braised white beans, a little bit of giardiniera, and some endives with a little bit of citrus cream to really brighten up the dish.
Oh, it smells good. It looks good. So, talk about Restaurant Week in general for you guys, because you are a newish restaurant. This is really an opportunity for folks to be able to come and maybe give you a try if they haven't been there yet.
Absolutely. The first Restaurant Week back in the winter that we did as a new restaurant was really great for us. It was a great opportunity for exposure for both our lunch and dinner. And for us, yeah, we just really want to showcase what we do every night of the week and every day of the week to the clientele that's coming in for Restaurant Week. So we just stick to our normal format, and we just hope that it gives people that opportunity to try us and enjoy it and come back for any night.
I love how you mentioned the shared experience, because that's what you're all about. And that's what's kind of unique, is it gives you an opportunity for that dinner for 2 to be able to come out and maybe try a couple of different things.
Yeah, we really want people to come in and really create their own experience, whether it's, a single plate at the bar with a drink or, a really nice shared experience with multiple plates on the table. So that's just one way we choose to emphasize for Restaurant Week.
Any personal favorite for you?
For me, I love the porchetta. Like I said, it's kind of a signature. It's been on the menu since we opened. Our staff is a huge fan of the pakri, so I think those 2 dishes we'll see really flying out the window during Restaurant Week. It's a great deal. You leave satisfied and really get to try a good portion of our regular offerings.
Awesome. Well, John, thank you so much. I can't wait to dig in.
Yeah, absolutely.
Restaurant Week runs until Friday. You can check out the menus for yourself right now up on channel3000.com. Boy, mouth-watering stuff there, right?
Ooh, sign me up.
Yeah, great deals. I mean, you're talking about some fantastic restaurants, good prices. Maybe you haven't been to one of these places. Maybe you've always been thinking, like, you know what, I've always wanted to try whatever restaurant. This is the chance to do it.
It
Great
really
deal,
is.
good food. What are you waiting for?
Yeah, I mean, you were talking like, hey, we need a date night. This is a perfect opportunity, right? You can go get a 3-course, like, fancy sit-down dinner. I mean, how often can you go around, even for $80, and be able to have a meal that fantastic?
No way.
It
No
just
way.
does not happen around here. So.
Great opportunity.
Yeah,
Josh
support
Breider.
local.
Thank you very much.
You bet.
Don't forget to reach out to Josh if you have an interesting idea of something going on in your neighborhood. Make sure it's inspirational. That's Josh's thing. He's always looking for that inspiration. If you have an idea, reach out on social media at Josh Breider TV or in the 608 at WISCTV.com.